In November 2025, the So Because Foundation will bring our So Empowered program to rural Nepal, distributing 300 Angel Wings Dignity kits and delivering engaging menstrual health education. Each kit includes washable pads, underwear, soap, and a discreet carrying bag, paired with fun, culturally sensitive education that restores confidence and breaks taboos. This video features highlights from our past projects in Mombasa and Nairobi, showing how girls engage with the Angel Wings kits and workshops, giving a clear sense of the impact our So Empowered program can bring. For too many girls, menstruation means missed school, shame, and lost opportunities. Without safe products or accurate information, girls isolate themselves, fall behind, and sometimes drop out. Our program changes this story. Supplies plus education help girls stay in school, feel proud, and take charge of their futures. Reusable kits last 2 to 3 years, giving sustainable support, and workshops provide knowledge that lasts a lifetime. In partnership with local organizations, we'll ensure at least 300 girls in Nepal can attend school with dignity. By modeling open conversations about menstrual health, we create ripple effects, empowering mothers, sisters, and entire communities. Help us bring the So Empowered program to Nepal. With your support, no girl will let her period stand in the way of her education. Thank you for watching our video and for supporting us. Together, we can give girls the tools and confidence to stay in school and shape a brighter future.